फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर channel शेयर की तबीयत बुल और बियर. Friends, here is the nifty data, but first of all we can see the global market, and on that basis we can try to analyze it, and on that basis try to find out the trend, whether it should be a positive or it should be a negative one. So friends, the Dow Jones falls 17.54 points. Okay, S&P falls 6.16 points, Nasdaq 18.37 points, so it should be a flattish one. Okay, now the European market, the DAX shows 18.95 points decrease, but 300 shows a 12.62 points increase, and CAC 13.13 points increase. So that also shows uh, certain certain neutral trend. Now we are focusing on the Asian market. The Kospi is increased in flattish point 20.05. Nifty is closes below 101.70 points. Okay, and Sensex 271.07 points. Taiwan, okay, and Karachi. So Asian markets can affect it very well. So we can say that the investors book the profit. Why it should book a profit? Because tomorrow, today is the minutes of the Fed should be disclosed in tomorrow. So the outcomes that will be generated by the Fed should be disclosed or should be open in tomorrow. So every investors, or we can say that every traders can known the how outcomes works in the market. Also that so there is a very we can say the rally in the crude oil price. That also, okay, that means the crude oil price goes beyond the $74 per barrel. So it also hamper the Indian economy. So therefore the Nifty and the Sensex also close, okay, or shows the negative trend. Now we are focusing on the put call ratio. Friends, put call ratio is decreases till 330 is from 1.194 to 1.139. So it also shows it increases one more than one, so it shows a overbought situation also. But the market is shown in upward trend, so that overbought situation can arise. So the friends, there is a need to certain decrease in the put call ratio. And also, if the market is increases, the call cannot be increases in that much, so which shows that a bearish pattern, certain bearish pattern in on the basis of put call ratio. Now we are focusing on the put call open interest basis. For this purpose we can refer the NSE side, that is NSE India. So friends, this is a option chain data of expiry 17 June 2021 of the Nifty. So Nifty today is closing on 15,767.55. Okay, now this is a call side and this is the put side. Okay, so call side increase in open interest showed that there is a short of the call, and in negative figure show that there is the recovery of call. So short call means the sale of the call. Sale of the calls means the market cannot go beyond that strike price. Okay, and if that market goes beyond that strike price, the short of the person who short that call price should recover them, and it increases the nifty. Okay, that is, there is a up, it shows the upward direction of the nifty. Thereafter we can say that put ray. Okay, put change in open interest shows that if there is a positive open interest shows that there is a short of the put. Short of the put means there is an increase, okay, in the market. So it's the person who short the puts shows that the bullishness in the market. But if there is a positive figure in the change in open interest which shows that there is a short in the puts, and okay, there, this is the support, okay, to the nifty. That is, nifty cannot go below that point. Okay, so it shows a bearishness or certain support. So friends, positive figure in change in, okay, positive figure in put side shows that there is a the market cannot go below that, so there shows a support. But a negative figure shows that the market can goes below that. Now we can focus the calls where the open interest is high. So friends, the open interest is high on the 15,800 strike price, which is 41,164 shares. Okay, that is okay, the 41,164 shares newly joined by shorting of the call. It shows that the nifty cannot goes beyond 15,800, but from okay, but when it goes 15,825 or 830 and stuck them to 15 to 30 minutes, the risk of the call writers has is more, and they should recover the call. Okay, that is, the shorting of the calls must be recovered. That is, he should buy such call, and the market can goes beyond the 15,800. So friends, okay, so 15,800 till the date, okay, till the opening, we can say this is the market cannot goes 15,800. Now we are focusing on the put side. The put side, the open interest is more than in 15,600 strike. That means the put is shorted. Okay, that means there is a support to the market. The, means the market cannot go 15,006 below the 15,600. So the market can trade 15,600 to 15,000, in between 15,600 to 15,800. But if this range is break downward or upward, the market should goes in a fast direction to that side only, whether it should be 15 below the 15,600 or above the 15,800. Okay, this is so the, in short we can say that the range of the nifty for the tomorrow's trade is 15,800 to 15,600. Now now we consider the chart of the nifty. Friends, here is the normal chart of the nifty. The nifty shall closes 15,755. Okay, but okay, it should goes below the 15,600 is the support of the nifty, and 15, okay, it the for the above it should goes to 15,900. But we can see that there is a call writer in 15,800. If the market opens above the 15,800 and okay, wait this strike price, okay, that is 15,825 to 850, then the market push forward, okay, or upward trend, and move towards 900 or 925. But if the market goes below, okay, from below the 15,700, that is 15,675 to 650, okay, say 650, then there is a chance of it should goes to the 15,600, where the where the where there is an okay, more open interest in the board. And also chart shows that there is a support in the 15,625 to 15,010. So okay, and also the RSI is 64.78, so it should be, we can say in the upward direction market, it should be a reasonable one. So but the investors can waiting for the US federal, okay, federal meeting outcomes. And also there is an increase in the price of the crude oil, so that will hamper the economy of the Indian economy. So on that basis, there is some declining is possible. There is declining in possible in tomorrow's scenario, or so tomorrow expiry. So we can okay, we can see, or we can conclude that on the basis of the chart put call ratio, on the basis of open interest and and the global market situation, the Nifty, uh, okay, Nifty cannot goes below the 15,600, and cannot go above the 15,800. If any direction, okay, that is any support or the resistance is break, then there is a huge upward or downward movement in the Nifty. So on that basis, first of all, we can see on the open, okay, and where the Nifty is open, and okay, wait for 15 to 10 to 15 minutes, and if it is above the 15,800, then we seal the put, so that, okay, selling of the put, and gets a premium as a profit in your hands. uh, if the Nifty opens below the 15,755, the chance of the opening of the Nifty below the 15,750, Nifty can, the chance for tomorrow the Nifty can go below the 15,755 is more. So we can short the calls of 15,800 or 15,750 and gets a premium. So on the basis of the opening the Nifty and waiting for 10 to 15 minutes of the direction clearance of the direction, okay, the strategy, on that basis we can, okay, apply the strategy, okay. And please comment, subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for the updates relating to IPO, work from home, and any other videos uh, which will be uploaded in our channel. So to update your knowledge, or to update your, okay, to update your skills, etc. So friends, thank you, and subscribe our channel, and best of luck for the tomorrow's trade. Thank you.